Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What Sold video for you today. It is Tuesday, July 20th, and we're going to follow Kathy around to see what sold for us today.
Hello, everyone. All right, so AW. I just saw a fuzz on my
Spider.
when you see something out of the corner of your eye. All right, so these are some Sanita clogs. I like Sanita. It's like I think they're actually owned by the same company as Dansko, so I don't pick up everyone because some of them are just like an ugly style to me and I just don't think they'll sell, but anything with like a wooden heel type thing usually does pretty well. So these ones I definitely picked up and they sold fairly quickly. I have $5.69 into them. They sold for $45.45 plus shipping in less than the first 30 days, so really good there. All right, AB. Okay, these are some kids Converse. I picked these up at a garage sale a couple weeks ago for $5. Sold them on eBay for $27.25. Free shipping. They are over a pound, so they're shipping out in a padded flat rate, which costs $7.76. Not too bad for kids Converse. I mean, these probably only retail for like 35, maybe 40 bucks. So to get 27, 25 views, that's pretty good, I think. So yeah. All right, and this is a viewer sale going out to Kara. She bought 2 items from me on Kidizen. So BN. Oops, I blocked myself.
Oh. The tote that we're going to keep pushing around until we get tired of it.
Alright, so the first thing she grabbed was this. This isn't a brand I've heard of. I only grabbed it because it was new at tag and also it was organic cotton. So the brand is Origani, I think. I'm not sure how you say it. I got this at Once Upon a Child on their like 70% off clearance, and my average cost of goods that day was $2.18. So that's what I have into the tank. And then she also bought some LL Bean sandals. Right. Yeah, these are just some LL Bean like women's slide sandals, cork insoles. I think those are really nice, but they did take several months to sell. I don't know why. But thank you, Kara, so much for your purchase. So she put these both in her cart. I didn't know she was a viewer or anything. I was just sending offers on Kidizen yesterday. Often I forget to do that, but I need that to be part of my daily thing. But I don't remember what the total was, but I sent her an offer of $38 free ship and she accepted. So thank you so much,
Awesome.
Kara.
Thank you for the support, Kara. Hope you enjoy your shoes and
shirt.
I forgot what that was.
I sold these Mini Boden Boys boxer shorts. These actually were my son's. I think he only got around to wearing them one time because they were like the Christmas theme ones. So I sold them for $17 free shipping on Kidizen. I don't remember exactly what I paid, but I know I got those on like super clearance from Boden, like after a Christmas sale. So they were at least half off of their retail, which I don't know what that is because I never pay retail, but probably making most of my money back off those. All right, and then BI. This is the other pair of UFO sandals. They did, again, sell in one day of being listed like they always do. This pair sold for $38 plus shipping. Again, my mind is blown because they retail for $49.95. And most likely you could probably get a coupon on one of the sites that sells them retail. So thankful, but I don't get it. So yeah, I have $4.99 into those and $5 into 38 really fast. All right, these are a cool pair of shoes. Okay. So these are some Nike Kyrie shoes, but they're SpongeBob. And I didn't realize that just by looking at them, but when I took them out to Chris, I was like, what do you think these are? Because I had already looked them up at that point. And he said, those look like SpongeBob. So apparently it's just me that doesn't know, because I never really watched SpongeBob. So yeah, these sold for $30 plus shipping on Facebook Marketplace. I have $5.99 into them. So those were a good pickup. BF. This is something I kind of sent a very low offer because So these are Carhartt shorts. Obviously Carhartt's a great brand, sells great, sells fast. These shorts, I paid $5.99 for them. When I got them home, and I got them from a thrift store that doesn't accept returns. Most of our stores accept returns, at least for store credit. This one does not. When I got them home, I realized like stamped on the inner pocket said irregular, and I don't know why, because all the measurements, everything adds up. They look to be in great shape. I didn't see any weird things about them, so I noted all that. I showed the measurements and everything, but because of that, I don't know, I just felt weird about selling them for any more than this, so I took an offer of $12 plus shipping. And again, I had paid $5.99, so it's like a $4 profit, but better than putting $6 back in the trash, pretty much. So here's another thing I kind of took a low offer on. I always say that I'm trying to like be in the mindset of just, you know, take the offer if it's a fair enough offer.
If it's a good enough profit.
Yeah. So these are Keens, which Keens a great brand. Again, these are really nice leather sneakers. I probably could have sold them for $30 to $35 plus shipping, but I accepted a $20 plus shipping offer on Facebook Marketplace because I only had $2 into them from what is it? A garage sale. So yeah, I don't know. It's like I want to move stuff, but then I also want to have inventory. So I'm always like stuck between those two things.
Do you know, is there a way to search sold comps on Facebook Marketplace?
Not that I know of.
So
I just always go off eBay and Posh.
Yeah, we try to be a little bit more careful when it's something like eBay or like on Posh, where people can go back and look at sales history and see what you're selling things at, you know, at what price point.
Yeah. And I thought it was interesting. So like I always price my Facebook stuff a little less because of the cheaper fee. But Amber Resells recently did a video where she was like showing our sales from her Denver haul and stuff. But she said I priced everything the exact same on Poshmark, Facebook. What was her other one? eBay.
eBay, yeah.
And just to see where they sold first. So if you haven't seen that video, go watch it.
It was a good one.
It was interesting to see what happened with that. So yeah, I might start pricing up my Facebook stuff more to the actual same price as the rest. So all right, this is something in this pile somewhere. So yesterday I kind of cleared out my closet a little, and I've mentioned like a bunch that I had a garage sale box back there, and like I forgot to put it in our garage sale when we had one. Anyway, so I finally like went through that box. Some of it went to Goodwill's. I decided to keep 3 things that I originally decided I was gonna not keep. And this is one of them, and then it sold today, like, just randomly. Because I never unlisted it. It just was sitting in that box, waiting for me to decide, so. Yeah, anyways, I'm glad I did not donate these or just toss them or whatever. But they're 7 for All Mankind jeans, but they've been listed probably 2+ years. They're just not the best. I mean, they're a nice pair of jeans. They're just, I think I just was going to redonate them because it was taking so long to sell. When I first bought these, I kept hearing 7 for All Mankind is a great brand. I didn't know I didn't know anything about it at the time. So I found these. I was like, oh, they're great shape. I'll buy them. But yeah, it's not all 7 for All Mankind jeans. I think it's just like the dojos and stuff,
Certain
which
cuts,
I've never even found those. And at this point, I don't even know if I did find them, if I'd pick them up, because I've had a bad experience with every other 7 for All Mankind that I have had. So all that to say, I paid $5.99 for those way back when. They finally sold today thanks to PosherVA for $20 with discounted shipping. So not a huge profit, but it's better than $6 again in the trash. All right, this was a really good sale. Super random. These are some men's vintage Guess denim shorts. If you ever see that triangle, it's probably worth something. So the older Guess stuff with that triangle on it, made in the USA, everything like that. People are looking for that right now. So these sold for my full list price on Posh, which was $50. So I only have $6.99 into these, so really good sale.
Very nice.
An AB. Alright, another PosherVA sale. These are some Asics Onitsuka Tiger sneakers. They've only been listed a couple days. I don't remember. I think I listed them at $65. And then PosherVA sent the 20% off, so $52 with discounted shipping is what I got on those. These I got at Plato's Closet, so I did have $12.71 into them, but it's still like almost a $30 profit there. All right, box V.
Right here.
All right. Yeah, so last night we went to Texas Roadhouse because our son turned 7 on Sunday, but Sunday was kind of a busy day with church and all of our activities, so we didn't get to do much on his actual birthday. So we took him there last night. They sang him the song. He was embarrassed, all that good stuff. But as we were just at dinner enjoying each other, I made like 3 sales, and honestly, it truly is because of PosherVA. This is one of them. So this is some just Reebok sneakers. I got these at the bins, part of my stimulus check challenge. I have $1.39 into them. They sold for $19 with discount shipping.
Very nice.
Yeah.
And PosherVA does send out those anytime somebody gives a like on one of our items. 5 minutes later they get an offer that's 20% below price for us, from us. So
unless our computer went to sleep.
Right.
And then as soon as it wakes up, they'll get the offer. But yeah, it seemed to be running the whole time we were at dinner because yeah, all these sales came in. This one's actually a viewer sale going out to Amanda. She got the PosherVA offer as well. I don't remember what these were listed at, but I just can't math, I guess, because 20% off of. They ended up selling for $26 with discounted shipping. So
okay.
Thank you so much, Amanda. She said she loves to watch our channel. And then I had picked those up at Once Upon a Child. I had an average cost of goods of $6 even that day.
Thank you so much for your support, Amanda.
Yeah.
There is a link down in our description for PosherVA if you are interested in checking it out for your Poshmark closet.
And then last 2 sales. CL. These literally all happened within like our 2-hour dinner window. 4 sales. Torrid jeans. So these are Torrid jeans, like I just said. I got these at the bins as well, part of the stimulus check challenge. So $1.37 into them. They sold for $20. That was actually, that was an offer the person sent me, so I don't know if that was technically because of PosherVA, but I do think because my stuff's constantly being shared, it also helps. Honestly, like those full price sale even. I've had more full price sales since I've started using that than I feel like I've had in the 3 years I've been using Posh because I don't know.
It's just
you're just
constantly
putting
getting
your
shared
stuff in front of their face, and people are like, "Oh, I want that," and then they buy it. So
it's able to share way more than we've ever been able to on our own. So.
I probably have shared more than we've ever shared off within 3 years total of our sharing. It's nuts. All right, and last but not least, these ones, again, PosherVA sale, sold for $31 with discount shipping. They're just some Converse I picked up from a garage sale for $3. So.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get this stuff all packed up and we'll be right back. All right, we got everything all packed up, ready to go, and we did have 3 sales came in while we were packing stuff up.
Yeah.
Pull those real quick.
So AV. These are some Key and Mary Janes. They are like a red color. They did have a little bit of wear on them, so I sold them less than I would have normally. But I got them from the bins, part of the stimulus check challenge. No, not part of the stimulus check challenge. I got these when I was with Greg and Amber, so we were done with the challenge by then. So I have $1.96 into them. That was my average cost of goods that bins day was high for some reason, but yeah, $1.96 into $22 plus shipping on eBay. That was an offer. I sent a watcher. This next one is also, oh no, this was an offer someone sent me on Posh, DH. So these are just some women's Under Armour compression shorts. So these, I accepted a low offer because mostly we're just on a roll today. So
yeah,
probably could have got a couple extra bucks, but these were kind of like a bread and butter item. I figured I'd make $10 profit, but I'm only making 5. I listed them at 25. I accepted 13, and I paid $4.99 for them. So, yeah, not the best, but that's okay. And then last but not least, BI. This was another offer. I sent a watcher. Some Bionic flip-flop sandals. You guys see me sell these all the time around 30 plus ship. These ones I sold for 25 plus ship just because the sequins are a little bent in certain places, and like the understraps are kind of dirty. So yeah, I have $5.99 into them and sold them for $25 plus shipping on eBay.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and pack those up off camera. These were actually the limbs that sold a couple days ago, or I guess last week.
So I did reach out to eBay for Business, and they said you will get a ding on your account, but if you just message them or call them, and you know there's writing for it all,
right,
masking and everything.
He asked for it, yeah.
They'll remove the defect. So a little bit of work on our part, but for a $70-something sale, definitely worth it. If this was like a $10 sale, I might have canceled it and said, so sorry,
order when you're ready.
Can't do that. But yeah, it's not too big of a deal. Messaging eBay for Business, if you're not already on, it's just a Facebook page, just type in eBay for Business. You can literally message them any time of day. They do take a while to respond, but usually within 24 hours you'll get a response, and it's super easy. You don't have to wait on hold on the phone or anything.
Right.
So go about your day. They'll get back as soon as they can. So
for pretty much anything eBay, feedback removal, like bad feedback removal, stuff like that, we contact them pretty regularly.
They'll
and
just ask for your email,
verification,
some verification questions, and that'll be it.
So yeah, did you want to go over the board?
Sure. Yeah,
we haven't gone over it in quite a while because we're earlier today.
So yeah, the end of last week, I ended up between these 2 days. I don't remember which day, so I just kind of wrote it as together. 52 items total between Friday and Saturday, and that was about $1,700 in listings. And then so far I didn't do any on Sunday, our son's birthday, and then last night I did 10. Haven't got those cross-posted yet though, so that's what we will work on tonight. And then we were just watching some shows last night. I bought a bunch of new shoes over the weekend. So these are like all the new shoes I bought, and I did get them all typed into our inventory, and we just got all the numbers taken off the bottom. So I'll cross post and then start photographing these to hopefully list tomorrow.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So that's going to do it for today. Today is actually the day that we're kind of celebrating our son's birthday, since Sunday, I think Kathy mentioned it, we were super busy with church and stuff. So we're kind of doing all kinds of activities with Connor and Cyrus today, like buying birthday presents and stuff. So we like to let them decide on their birthdays what they kind of want to do for the day, and we try to do that and celebrate them. So we're going to get back to that. We're going to get the stuff off to the post office and go do some more family stuff tonight, and that's going to do it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.